Hey y'all, I'm back. This is the Jeep I'm taking apart right here. I'm putting the 5.9 Interceptor, the Grand Jeep Cherokee in. There you see, look, the body style there, all the parts is right there. I'm reusing all, you see that, all that part right there. Yeah. See, I done work on this before. See, I had a white Jeep. That's why I got the white door. See, I done strip all the way inside already. See, I done. Yeah, you see, I done went through it. I got my Jeep finna be looking brand new when I get done with it. Not this one. That one right down here. Right down here at the body shop by myself. I got my babe go and bring me something to eat. Yeah. That's the Interceptor police version one. You know, the damn police use these engines too. I don't know what about it. Crown Vics, Grand Roadmasters. Yeah, I got new seats when I get done. I'm gonna take them leathers out. God damn, I got my damn door locked. I got leather, changing everything out. See, I done went through it. I got everything, this rooftop, everything is fixed already. I'm taking these leather out, putting cushion, real comfortable. Now I might upgrade that radio. I kind of like that Pioneer, good radio, good brand. See, my tire still brand new, which ain't worth a goddamn $800 damn tire from Walmart, and I still rate my goddamn Jeep. Well, I'm tell you, I don't know. Hurricane Michael tore me up though. That's what Hurricane Michael do to my damn cars. I don't care how good your tires, how much money you spend on your vehicle, on tires. Shit, if it's meant to be wreck or not, that's what's gonna happen. Until next time. The motor came out of that one. I'm gonna take to my house, and this is the motor right here, my project. Yes, sir. Going through it. I'm about to, I got my starter right there. Everything good on this. I just got a head gasket problem with this right here. But I'm gonna put this motor in the white one right here. I'm gonna rebuild that motor just on my spare time at my house. Put this motor in right away. Everything. Got the whole nine. The whole shebang. Yeah, as you see, that's the ones on the white one, Rottweiler. Got that from Dre, y'all. Dre gave me that for that Green Goblin Tahoe you outrun them police with. So I got a whole new joint. Everything was over here. Grill, lights. This is my guard for the motor, so I can slide on anything, run over anything. I won't have that problem no more. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.